Hey loves, in today's video I am trying out the JCat Beauty Rockin' the Night Sparkling Powders and creating this super easy Halloween inspired eye makeup. I purchased 5 of the JCat Beauty Rockin' the Night Sparkling Powders from the beauty supply store for $2.99 each. I also purchased the Laflare 3-piece silicone eyeshadow brush set from Amazon for $5.99. Using the Energy 124, I am highlighting my brow bone with this matte cream shade. I am blending this black directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Energy 125. I am using the Coastal Scents Classic Detail Pointed Brush to apply this bright orange shadow directly on top of the black. I am highlighting my brow bone again using that matte cream shade on my Energy 124. I am using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 9 brush to apply this shimmery purple shadow to the outer 2/3 of my lid. Using that same brush, I am filling in the remainder of my lid with this shimmery orange shadow. I am using the Kiss New York Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in clear as my glitter glue, and I am applying it using the Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush. The first JCat sparkling powder that I am using is in the shade Royal Highness. It is a gorgeous deep purple. Now I am applying the shade Golden Pumpkin, which is a really pretty deep orange, and I love the name. The Laflare silicone applicator made it so easy for me to apply my glitters. I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black for my winged liner. And now I'm trying out the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. This isn't the kind of wand that I typically like in my mascaras, but I do like how it made my lashes look very full and voluminous, and it also extended the length a bit. I applied the Laflare 3D foaming lashes in style 1E. Now with my Energy 111, I am blending this dark purple along my lower lash line. Since I wear lashes, the way I review mascaras is by how well they make my bottom lashes look, and this mascara did a phenomenal job. Now I am applying the Nicka K eye pencil in black. I am completing this eye look by highlighting my inner corner with the Rimmel Magnifies Single Shadow in Dip in Gold using my BH Cosmetics V9. Here's my completed Halloween themed eye look. I love how this makeup came out, and of course you can never go wrong with glitter. As you saw in the thumbnail, I did pair this with a black lip, and that just pulled the whole look together. Check the description for all of the products I used to create this makeup look. If you're interested in the eyeshadow palette, that will be linked along with a review video that I did on it where I created 2 separate looks. Let me know what you think of this makeup down below in a comment, and until next time, bye loves!